Hey amigo, let me ask you something. Have you ever watched ESPN and thought, man, how do they make those graphics look so good? I've been there, messing with the After Effects, trying to make something look epic, but it just looks like. If that's you right now, struggling to make pro-level sports motion graphics, or you feel you're one creative spark from actually making it, then listen up, because I built this masterclass just for you. See this work? This isn't mine. These are students, people just like you, who came into my sports motion graphics masterclass stuck and frustrated, and came out creating graphics that belongs on ESPN. One of them, Nico Valerga, came into the class feeling like his dream was over. Now, he's a motion graphics manager for the Saints and Pelicans. And that's the power of learning the right way. Here's what we do inside the masterclass. First, I get your creativity unstuck with my 7-step idea process. Then we dive into design principles, grids, typography, and color theory. The secret sauce of all great graphics. You'll learn animation principles and my 2 favorite ways to move the camera so your designs feel alive. I'll show you how to make text animations that pop and my formula for stadium graphics that wow a crowd. We'll even hack After Effects 3D renderer to build cinematic sports environments. And I'll hand you the templates and toolkits I use in the real world, including the base structure of the TNF toolkit built for Amazon Prime Sports. Plus my favorite 5 timeless VFX techniques. And because I don't want you learning in a bubble, we bring in guest speakers who are absolutely crushing it. 10-time Emmy winner and ESPN director Daniel H4, Gatorade's Mike Gallegos, Emmy-winning Fox Sports producer Crystal Nungaray, and our latest speaker, Connor Hinckley, founder of Colosseum. This is the stuff that no YouTube tutorial will ever give you. Here's the deal. I don't open this masterclass all year long. I run it in cohorts so I can mentor and keep the training fresh. And there's no guarantee that I'll open this again. If you've been on the fence or you're waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Like Eminem says, you only get one shot, one opportunity. Hit the link in the description or in the comments, join the Sports Motion Graphics Masterclass, and let's make your graphic finally look like it belongs on ESPN.